Sean from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Okay, alright, so the complaint is that there's some noise in the freezer. We're going to go inside here, take off the back panel so we can inspect a little bit better. Okay, in order to disassemble this unit, all I'm going to need is my 1/4 inch nut driver. So we'll take our rack out first. Alright, then we're going to remove our ice tray here. Just a couple of screws hold that in. Now we're going to get up here to remove our tower. There's a lights cover here that comes off, and there are a couple of screws here. And our lights come by our light bulb. Alright, once we get those, the light will slide forward and off. We can disconnect it. It's got a harness. Get that out of the way. There are 2 screws at the top of our tower that we're going to take off now. We can slide the tower up and then off. Alright, now to remove our back panel, we have a screw here and a screw here. So we're going to go ahead and get those out. And now we're just going to gently pull on our back panel and try to get it out here. Which we did. Now we can see everything in our evaporator and everything up here. I'm going to go ahead and shut the refrigerator off just so our fan motor stops running. And then that way I can kind of inspect the mounts on it and make sure that that has nothing to do with it. Okay, the unit's on back again. I checked the rubber mounting brackets. They seem to be okay. When I hold this here, there is some vibration that comes from the fan. So I guess what we'll do is we'll end up just replacing the fan motor, since that's the only thing that's going to be moving. Customer claimed they heard some noise coming from there. We heard a little bit of a knocking noise. Could have been maybe a wire nut that was attached to it, maybe bouncing against the panel. So I tried to reposition those wire nuts so they weren't up against the panel anymore. So we'll put it back together. We'll give the customer the option of monitoring it and see if that noise goes away. Maybe it was just a wire nut, or we could just replace the fan motor for them. There's no other moving parts within the unit here. Thank you for watching another quality in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.